Hi and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got some items to share with you today from EasyCraftArt. They were kind enough to send me a few different items. So we will start with the one in the box. I couldn't remember what it was then for a minute, so I was like, this one is wintry, is the way I'd put it. It's an off the canvas item and it's a little fidget spinner in the shape of a snowflake. And I just thought it'd be fun. I could actually sit there for hours at my desk doing that. It does only come with two different types of diamonds. So we've got some AB coated in white, and then we've got, oh, they look like those, I'm not sure if it's catching the angle, but they look a bit like the buttons on a child's cardigan. That's the way I see them as. You do get more baggies than you'll need because there's more than two. You do get a pen, a wax and boat as well. But yeah, I think I'm going to do that so that I have a sort of desk toy. Maybe good for an office Secret Santa type thing. You never know. Just make one and see what happens, because they get addicted. They do. Okay, on to the diamond paintings. So I have a couple of diamond paintings as well. I'm loving off the canvas items though. First one is upside down. Look at that. So this is an elephant. It is a 30 by 40. I'm just having a look. It doesn't come with the MC numbers and it is a round painting. But look, it's amazing how when you look at it up close, that's sort of what you get. But when you move it away, you can instantly see it's an elephant covered in flowers. Size-wise, the actual diamond painting area is 24 by about 34. So you do have a 3 centimetre border round it. You do get a standard toolkit. And the diamonds, proper like pink and white. So we do have a few bags of white for the background, but then we have some really nice sort of muted browny pinky brown, some more vivid pink, greys. We've got purples and beigey type colours mixed in, some really nice pinks as well, and some greys as you'd expect, and then some more pinky browny in-betweeny beigey colours that will make up the sort of colours and flowers on the elephant. I like it though. I do like some of the elephant pictures that are out there. There's quite a few different ones, of course. The options for images just keeps going and going. But I like the fact this one has, basically it's just covered in flowers. So if you look at the actual image, that's why you can see bits of pink all over, but you can make out the eyes. And of course, nice big floppy ears and flowers all over. So that is painting number 1. And then painting number 2, what did I pick? Oh, so this one is a partial. It is a partial in round, and I will pop links to all of these down below. But you decorate or you put diamonds on all of the branches and the leaves, but you don't do any of this background colour. So it is just on the leaves and the trees. This one also does not come with the MC numbers. It does come with 13 different colours. And the actual size for this one is about 24.5, but it's definitely taller by about 42.5. But it's a nice image that you could probably put either way, depending on your space. I wouldn't put it that way, but you could put it that way or that way, depending on where you're putting it and depending on the space that you have. Comes with a boat wax and pen. And then of course you're not doing the background colour or the shading part, so where the branch has a bit of a shadow. You don't need to diamond paint that, you're just diamond painting the actual branches and the actual leaves. So it can be quicker to do, but you do get some really nice colours in with that. There is some hints of white that mix in with the blue for some leaves. Oh, nice bright green, bright orange, some black and grey, bit of burgundy as well to mix up with that brown. Makes up sort of a tree-ish or a branch type colour, and some red as well. So quite a nice mix there of bright colours, but you don't need to get, you know, bored of doing a background, because the background is done for you. And if a partial is done on the right kind of image, so like this image as a partial, by only putting the diamonds on the branch and the leaves, it also gives it another level of dimension, another bit of a pop, which is always good. But I will pop links to these down below. We have our flower elephant, our partial tree, and a fun silver snowflake fidget spinner, because why not? But thank you to EasyCraftArt for sending me these goodies to share with you all, and thank you all for watching. I'll speak to you all again soon.